myself a battered ditch, built me an ark, go for wood and pitch, sat down by the roadside and waited on the rain. I am the hunter of invisible game. Well, I woke last night to the heavy clicking and clack, and a scarecrow on fire along the railroad tracks. There were empty cities and burning plains. I am the hunter of invisible game. We all come up a little short and we go down hard. These days I spend my time skipping through the dark, through the empires of dust. I change the name. I am the hunter of invisible game. Through the boneyard, rattling black smoke, we rolled on, down into the valley where the beast has his throne. There I sing my song and I sharpen my blade. I am the hunter of invisible game. Strength is vanity and time is illusion. I feel you breathing, the rest is confusion. Your skin touches mine, what else to explain? I am the hunter of invisible game. Now pray for yourself, friend, that you may not fall when the hour of deliverance comes on us all. When our hope and faith and courage and trust can rise and vanish like dust in dust. Now there's a kingdom of love waiting to be reclaimed. I